Typing. Whether on a keyboard or on your phone, it's something all of you do every single day. And in this tutorial, I will show you step by step several websites you've never heard about before that will pay you for literally just typing. But you really want to stay tuned and keep watching because I also have a huge bonus to show you near the end of this video. And with all of that said, guys, now let's jump straight into this tutorial. As you have all heard in that intro, today I will show you several websites that will pay you for just typing. And I have 2 bonuses to share with you near the end of this video as well. So you really want to make sure you keep watching, both so you know exactly what you need to do in order to set this up properly, but also so you don't miss out on the bonus platforms I will reveal to you later on in the video. Without further ado, here is the first platform I have for you today. It's called CAPTCHAtypers.com. As the name of this website suggests, and as is revealed on the homepage here, this website will allow you to make money from the comfort of your own home by just typing CAPTCHAs. It's as simple as that. In case some of you don't know what a CAPTCHA is, you can see that right here. This is a great example of what your typical CAPTCHA looks like. A CAPTCHA is basically a word you need to type in whenever you're registering to some new website in order to confirm that you're not a robot. But this website will actually pay you for typing them, a really cool feature. Something I really like about this website, and something I think you guys will too, is the fact that they don't ask you to type like thousands of words in order to earn a lot of money. They will literally give you a CAPTCHA with like 5 words, for example. You type it, get paid, and move on to the next one. Just rinse and repeat from there. This also means that you don't need to have some insane typing speed in order to make money with this platform. And this is hugely important because having a high typing speed requires practice, and a lot of it. But thanks to this website paying you for typing CAPTCHAs, you won't need a high typing speed whatsoever. The fact that you won't be typing many words, though, also has a downside regarding payment, guys. So here's a big clarification. You won't be able to earn thousands of dollars daily by just typing CAPTCHAs. It simply doesn't work like that because, as I said before, they are paying you for simply typing words, not some big articles, so don't have insane expectations. In case some of you were disappointed by this bit of info, keep watching. Near the end of this tutorial, I will show you a website that will pay you a lot more for typing, and also a website that will allow you to make money online on autopilot. Anyhow, to get started with this website, you will need to click on the orange register button right here. On the next page, they'll ask you to enter in your email address, username, and password. Then you'll need to retype that same password. Once done, complete this CAPTCHA and click on Submit below to create your brand new account so you can get paid by typing those CAPTCHAs. And by the way, before we move on to the second platform I will show you today, I want to really quick show you what it says here in case some of you missed it. Registration is completely free, and the work and app provided are totally free. You are paid if you work. Please don't pay anyone to work in our website. So it is 100% free to register to this website. This is very much too important for me to leave out, so for those wondering, you won't be investing a dime into this site. Now, the other half of what they said here is just as important. You don't want to pay anyone to type those CAPTCHAs for you if you're feeling lazy or whatever, because chances are they'll ban you from the site, and that is definitely not what you want. The next platform I have for you that will also pay you for typing CAPTCHAs is this one here called 2captcha.com. Once you come onto this site, you'll be able to see all of these awesome features this platform offers. And I actually prefer this site to the previous one. But with that said, I'd still recommend you combine the 2 platforms for a maximum effect and earning potential. On this website, as you can see here, they will pay you 50 cents for 1,000 CAPTCHAs. This is what I was talking about before. Don't expect some big numbers. But nevertheless, this is still a decent amount of money because it won't take you that long to type in 1,000 CAPTCHAs whatsoever. Another great feature of this site is that they will pay you instantly. This is very much worth mentioning because a lot of websites will either have you waiting for a long time before you actually get paid, or they require a very high amount of money earned before they will allow you to withdraw it. Both are bad features that are annoying to say the least. This site is comparatively better as far as payment is concerned, that's for sure. To start making money typing those CAPTCHAs, once again, you will have to sign up. To do that on this site, click on the Sign Up button, which will be located right here. You'll then have to enter in your email, username, and password, tick this box, and click on Continue so you can sign up on this website and start making money typing. The last website I have for you that will pay you for typing those CAPTCHAs is this one here called protypers.com. Out of the 3 websites, this is by far the best one in my opinion. But once again, I would recommend combining all of the sites and not just focusing on one in particular. That will allow you to earn more money in the end. Now, the main reason I prefer this site over the other 2 is payment. This site will pay you the most. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see that you can earn between 45 cents for 1,000 CAPTCHAs, which is not a lot indeed, up to $1.50 per 1,000 CAPTCHAs completed, which is indeed far more than the previous 2 sites. 3 times more to be exact. You can see here as well that on average, people make $250 a month with this website. So, as I said before, the amount of cash you'll be earning is not a lot by any means, so don't expect insane numbers. That being said though, you're still getting paid quite decently. To start making money on this site, you once again have to sign up. On this platform to do that, you need to click on Free Sign Up right over here. On the following page, you'll have to enter in much of the same info as you did on the first 2 sites, your email, password, and first name. You will then enter in all of the rest of this data and sign up. I won't go over that so I don't prolong the video. What's worth mentioning before we go on is that this site has more payment options than the first 2, definitely. They will actually pay you in Bitcoin or Litecoin if you want crypto, but in case you want cash, there are no shortages of options. You have PayPal, Western Union, Perfect Money, and lastly, WebMoney. So long story short, this site will pay you no matter what payment option you prefer. Now, with all of that said, let's get to the 2 bonuses I promised you way back in the beginning. The first one is a site called HireSign.com. What this is, for those of you who haven't heard about it, is a platform where you can get paid doing a variety of jobs. They range from translation to proofreading to typing. And if you have any skills for any of the jobs you see on the screen here, you'll be able to make decent amounts of money. Far more than what you would have made with the previous 3 websites. For those of you who have a good or very high typing speed, this is a website I would highly recommend as well. Even though typing those CAPTCHAs is a good way to get paid, it's really only good for those of you who don't type that fast. If you type very fast, you can get paid, as you can see on this page, up to $6 per page, which contains 2,000 words. So basically around $3 per 1,000 words. That is already twice the amount ProTypers offered to pay. Just goes to show you that this site can indeed make you more money. The second bonus I have for you guys here has nothing to do with typing. Let's make that clear right away. What you see on your screens right now is a software that costs a bit under $20 or so that can earn you hundreds of dollars in purely passive income. And if you want to try it out, then click on the first link down in the description box below. The way this will make you money is through getting traffic to any affiliate link you want. So what you can do is go over to OfferVault, Warrior Plus, Digistore24, ClickBank, find an offer to promote that will pay you a lot of money, grab the affiliate link to said offer, come to this software, paste the link in there, and it will get you traffic with you literally doing nothing from there. It's that easy. Furthermore, you can promote anything you want to. It doesn't have to be an offer from some of the mentioned affiliate marketplaces. You can find some random website and promote it as an affiliate, get traffic to it through this software, and make money online passively. Last thing worth noting about this software is that it has a 180-day money-back guarantee. So even though it's a paid software, you aren't even risking your money at all. Once again, if you want to give it a try, click on that first link down in the description. If you want to check out some of my other videos to get paid, then be sure to click on the ones that will pop up any minute now. If you like this video of mine and learned something from it, then do me a favor and give it a like down below. If you don't want to miss out on the content that is to come, then subscribe and turn on the notifications, and YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video. As always, thank you for watching, and see you all soon in some of the upcoming videos.